Hello everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and for today's A to Z World Foods, we are making walnut stuffed eggplant rolls. This is a fresh version of a dish that's traditionally pickled and preserved for the long winter months. For this recipe, you will need walnuts, lemon juice, pomegranate seeds, garlic, eggplant, salt and pepper, and cilantro. But since I'm not a fan of cilantro, I won't be using it in my dish. Let's get started. Spread 1 cup of walnuts onto a baking sheet. Place this in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 5 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Once your walnuts have finished roasting, place them in a food processor along with 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Blend these ingredients together well until you have a mostly smooth mixture. Next, add half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds, a dash of pepper, and a dash of salt to your mixture. Mix everything together with a spoon. Once it's mixed well, cover and set aside until ready to use. Next, after washing your eggplant and cutting off the top and the bottom, cut your eggplant into long, thin strips. Longer strips of eggplant will help hold in the stuffing, so I recommend using long, thin eggplants for this dish. Next, we'll cook our eggplant. If you have a barbecue, you can grill your eggplant for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until soft. If you don't have a barbecue, you can use a frying pan to cook your eggplant strips. Place a little bit of oil in the bottom of your frying pan and set the temperature to medium-high heat. Cook your eggplants for 3 minutes on each side. To put everything together, grab a piece of eggplant strip. Add a generous spoonful of filling to one end of the strip. Then roll it together. You can also use a toothpick to keep the roll secure. Repeat this process until you are out of eggplant strips or filling. And once you're finished, your stuffed eggplant rolls are ready to serve. This is a great side dish or appetizer. Thank you for joining me for this installment of A to Z World Foods. This recipe took about 30 minutes to make and serves between 4 and 6 people depending how many eggplants you use. You can find the written recipe in the video description below. I hope you can join us for our next installment of A to Z World Foods, but until then, enjoy!